First question, just analyzing a graph there. Highest temperature on day 7. So you can look at the graph, you can look at the chart, shouldn't matter. You're graphing the high temperature, so you just gotta look at that point. Hopefully you see it's 60 degrees. Probably should label. There are 3 different ways to label temperature. This one is in Fahrenheit. Which days was the high temperature 61? Well, day 2, day 4, and day 6. Pretty simple. Next page. Okay, 2 questions there to answer. And it does say explain, is the high temperature a function of the day? Okay. That means every day there is only one high temperature. Of course, that is true. Every day there's only going to be one high temperature. It can't be 2 different temperatures or it won't be the high. So, yes. Every day has one high temp. Okay, is the day a function of the high temperature? That means every high temperature is only associated with one day. That means if it's a high of 70, it can only happen one day. Does that make sense? No, absolutely not. So that one's no. The high temp can occur more than once. Okay, if it's 70 degrees, that can happen more than one time. Question number 2, writing the equation. Okay, how much do I get paid per hour? Yeah, $9.60 per hour. It says use X. So however many hours I work, I'm going to take it times 9.6. Is Y a function of X? So that means every time I work a certain number of hours, it's going to produce the same amount of money. So if I work 5 hours this week, I'm going to get paid the same as if I work 5 hours next week. Is that true? Yeah. Should be, because I make $9.60 an hour. Every input has one output. Okay, this one I thought was the trickiest one on here. It says write the equation describing X as a function of Y. That means I need to solve this for X. Okay, well, to do that, I would have to divide by whatever number's in front of it. So I'd have to take Y divided by 9.6. Okay, and that would tell me how many hours I worked. If I get paid $55, well, how many hours did I work that week? And so on. Question number 3, use the following equation to complete the table. Oh, I forgot to look for my little marking. I have to look at page 33 here in a minute. All right, question number 3. M equals 0, right? If this is 0, what is S? 4 times what is 16? 4 times 4 is 16. Next one. This is 3, so that means this is 12. 2 times what plus 12 would give me 16? Well, this would have to be 4, so 2 times 2 would give you 4. M is negative 2, so 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. That means this would have to be 20 in order to add up to 16. So 4 times what gives you 20? That's, of course, 5. And S is 0. So this is 0. 2 times 8 gives you 16. Okay, plot them. I believe I have those letters backwards. The M should be down here. Sorry. S should be up here. So 0, 4 would be here. 2, 3 would be here. Negative 2, 5. And 8, 0. If you kept it the same, that's fine. I think I told you in the video backwards the way it looks. There would be our line. Connect the dots. Whatever you have, connect the dots. All right, so question number 4. Here's where I left you after the video. So I need to get rid of a positive 10. Lucas, what's the opposite of adding 10?
Subtract.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. So negative 23 minus another 10 is negative 33. Can you tell me what x is? 11 times what is negative 33? Negative 3, right? Now that's only half of your answer. I also need to know the y coordinate, so you simply plug that back into either equation. Let's plug it into the top. 7 times negative 3 plus 10. So 7 times negative 3 is negative 21 plus 10. Negative 21 plus 10. So you owe somebody $21. You pay them 10. How much do you owe them now? Yeah, you owe them $11. Negative 11 is correct. All right. I would like you to open your books to page 33, please. I just want to look at that one while you're doing the warm-up.